STEPS Engineering Your Future programme is a partnership between Engineers Ireland STEPS programme and third-level institutions and industry around Ireland. So the STEPS programme is funded by the Science Foundation Ireland Discover Programme call, and we work in partnership with industry leaders including Intel, ESB, TII and Arup. Through the STEPS Engineering Your Future programme, we encourage students to explore the limitless opportunities an engineering career offers through working with lecturers, going on site visits to industry and looking at all the different disciplines involved in engineering.
It is extremely important that a campus week like this is a true partnership between the students, academia and industry. If students come out to CIT and they just listen to us here as academics and they see what's in CIT, that's not really showing them the full remit of what is out there in an engineering profession. So when we have companies and organisations showcasing and hosting site visits, that really reaffirms what we are telling them here.
The site tour today that we brought the transition year students around is really just a broad introduction to the stadium itself, but also just to engineering and engineering as a career. I think it's really important that industry gets involved in this process because it's such a worthwhile process, and not only just from themselves, just from a business perspective and making sure that there is a good demand and a good supply of talent there that they can work from, but certainly I find it's very rewarding even just to discuss the project, because a lot of the times we get so involved in the technical aspect of projects and we're obviously talking to peers and that keeps that conversation at that level. I personally find it's very kind of invigorating to talk to people who have no background in engineering and just sort of explain what engineers do.
I'm Kate Brady and I did Engineering Your Future in 2016 and I'm currently in first year in CIT studying structural engineering. During my time in the Engineering Your Future programme, I got to go to lots of talks and workshops and site visits, which really brought to my attention the different disciplines of engineering you could go into. I definitely think industry involvement is beneficial in the Engineering Your Future programme because different companies would come in for a workshop, and for biomedical devices, let's say, you're able to see them up close firsthand and how you went from designing it on the computer all the way up into manufacturing. And for structural, you were able to see that when you were drawing on a piece of paper, that could turn around to become a skyscraper.
The Cisco as a company have been around for 5 generations now, so it's hugely important that we inspire the youth of today to develop into engineers as part of the next generation and ensure the continued success of both our company and of the industry into the future.
There has been incredible demand for the Engineering Your Future programme, and in 2019 alone we had over 1,000 students apply for 450 places.
We could talk about engineering forever to these students, but unless they can experience it firsthand and get taken into the construction site, get to hear what the people in the medical device companies are making, then I suppose that makes it all the more real, really, for these TY students. And that's what we're trying to achieve. It's not all about being in the classroom. We need those industry people to come on board to make it real for the students.
We would like to support students from all over Ireland to be able to take part in the Engineering Your Future programme, and we can only do that with your support.